So my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. Welcome back to another update. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are out at Springfield / Duhaney. I guess here says Duhaney because Springfield is so small, you know, so that's a Duhaney. Out of Duhaney. What they are doing today, this looks like it's the first layer. So they might put down some asphalt out here so viewers and subscribers. As we did done post a video and show them say them start to asphalt out here already. So I'll continue it, you know, viewers. Yes man, St. Thomas, you know, viewers. So we see the development continue right across, you know, viewers and subscribers. So as you can see. So stay tuned, you know, viewers. Continue watch the video if you go in with details. I want to see what I want to see, you know. Yes, viewers and subscribers, live and direct we are doing, you know. So the machine we are going to catch up on, you know. Yes, I'm going to see the asphalt come out of the machine live, you know. You get what I say, viewers? Live and direct. So continue watch the video and know what they do, you know, so what? Just do the do, you know. But I'm glad to see you, you know, sir. Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers. Firstly, I this, you know, Duhaney this with you know, St. Thomas, you know. Yeah, man, Duhaney I get them fixed up. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, man, because you know this place been underneath. This struggling for how long pertaining to the road. Whole heap of dust and all these things. So at least them up put on the first layer now. Yeah, man, so sooner or later, at any time you can get an update, say, they might go put on the second layer upon it. But for now, it's the first layer, viewers. So me also speak your mind down in the comment section. Look on it now, viewers. Yeah, man, water truck, I put water. But viewers, me I tell you, say, yo, this last days, I mean, you know, like the sun come closer to earth, you know. Yo, the sun hot out of this world, viewers and subscribers. I don't know about phone side, you know, but St. Thomas side, yeah. Yo, was something for chat about with the heat of the sun, man. Anyway, we say continue watch the video, you know, viewers. So when you know what to do, so what? Just do the do, no? Response to this contract, you know. Pretty, you know, viewers. Yeah, upon it. So just do the do, you know, viewers, because you know so we out here giving you live and direct. So we will catch up on the machine now, make you see it live and direct, make you see the steam come out of the machine, viewers, okay? So continue watch the video, do the do. So see it then, my viewers. Yeah, man, see the machine we are telling us live we are giving it, man. Yeah, man, out of Duhaney St. Thomas. Duhaney I get them fixed up. You get what I say? Yeah, man, lots of dust usually out of this place. People complain about dust. You know, sick off and all of them, something about this dust. So at least them can get them and get rid of the dust now for a while, yeah? The first layer this, you know. Yeah, man, so you know, say at any time, secondly, I can go up on it. So speak your mind in the comment section, you know. I know say all while when them things are going, ever have the traffic be ever way, you know, viewers. Yeah, man, ever have this chaos amount of traffic. long as for your asphalt paving, yes, amount of traffic. But the worker them still go and do them thing and they do it professional and make the traffic get to them. You get what I say, viewers? They want big up themselves for that S&G manners. So viewers and subscribers, I hope you all enjoyed it because we are bringing to you know. So we say subscribe to the channel, you know, you want to know what's going on in St. Thomas with the development of St. Thomas. Lots of nice, I hope you're hearing me. Yeah man, just hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, put it for all. So when we drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Yeah, development of St. Thomas continue right across. We are in Duhaney, St. Thomas to be exact. Brand new piece of asphalt paving. And it continue, viewers and subscribe. Remember, it's stop out a bell video this and out, so them are going to join it. Chaos, traffic chaos this you know viewers cars. So when them things are going in, you know, the traffic kind of get hectic away. So right now, traffic are clear but way out here so viewers. So what she are doing, my viewers and my subscribers, she are test the temperature of the asphalt. You get what I say, viewers? Yeah, so when she test it and she finish with it, ask her how is the temperature and she said, well, it could have been hotter, it need to be hotter. And remember, you know, the paving machine cannot make it hotter, you know, viewers. So it have to come from the factory. So when I time they have to pause a little and them send back a message to the factory. So the one where they must send out, they make it come more hotter. You get what I say, viewers? So you know we have to make you know exactly everything we are going on in my viewers, my subscribers. You get what I say? Yeah man, so we say do you know. Bless up on yourself, continue watch the video, you know, because the next side no start paving neither, you know. And we're gonna make you see it also. So continue watch the video, bless up on yourself, each and every one. Nice. It's a fry. Now viewers and subscribers, this is the asphalt, they are fry. You can hear oh, we have to step from this. It's hot, man. Steamy. Sure. When you see them, I say the temperature will go up more. If you can see this, the missus they put on the temperature and they test it a while ago. She said it was hot. The temperature gauge will go up more, it will more steamy. To the man love mash things. Cha.
No boy. Yeah. No I just move around in the line down, you know.
So my viewers, my subscriber for now, they must stop the leg right here, so. And I'm gonna come with the next side. As you can see, them stop that side right here, so, and I'm gonna come with the next side. When them did start this side, I kinda reach late, so I never get for sure no. So the next side of them will start, I'm going to show how them join it, how them started and etc. And remember, speak your mind down in the comment section. Which part you say with there? Duhaney pen center mass to be exact. Duhaney pen I get them fixed up. And we don't know if them are going to join it on, how long them will take before them reach out to Belvedere. Because it's out of Belvedere, it's stopped. And them carry this go meet up out there. So you get to me as a viewers, yeah, them carry a paving and go meet up out there. So we don't know if it will take 1 day, 2 days or whatever, but if you want to subscribe to the channel, you will get a notification when you join in meet up, you know. Okay? Let's open ourselves. Hey, that thing they sweep, that thing are clean, you know. Yeah, when they sweep clean, you're free. Natural. Clean like whistle. As you can see, viewers are joining more join it right here, so. So we never catch the first side I joining, but this is the next side, viewers, so. You're gonna all see how them do it. So this is the next lane. This time I come, them all go with enough viewers. As you can see, them go with one lane already. So this is the next lane. So as I said, viewers, today I'm doing it live, you know. Yes, live and direct. So viewers, as you can see, when we start it here, so them join it. As you say, we are Duhaney in St. Thomas. Thing steaming. So viewers and subscribers, as you can see, this is the first layer. So you know, sometime later on, I'm going to put on the next layer on it. So my viewers and my subscribers, see me bring it to you, let you know see it. Says Springfield / Duhaney pen has now have their first asphalt paving. Their first layer that you know. So you know them are gonna get a next course. But who to tell, I don't know. But when you subscribe to the channel, you will get that notification. So don't worry yourself. If you don't say viewers, yeah man, we bring it to you, man, we gonna see it, man. So St. Thomas is up, you know. Up when we say up. This is the forbidden parish, the forgotten parish, where nobody want to come. Everybody more move out more than move in. So you see it upon the development now, okay? Viewers, so we say we bring it to you and let you know see it. So speak your mind down in the comment section, as you know, viewers and subscribers. So we say if you're new one, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you leave a like, thank you very much. You watch out your ads for me. Bless up yourself, man. Thank you very much for doing so. And if you leave a comment, yes, that's where if you get active down in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. So we say what? Now welcome to the end of another video. You know. See you people in the next video. You know. Safe travel on the gravel. You know. I'm out. Man, as you know, my boss.